Vume. We are cooking from that beautiful side of Vume. Guys, come along. Let's enjoy some amazing cooking today. Come, let's go cook. So this is Lagi. So last time, if you guys watched the viral video, so was washing there, and then I woke and I had a drink here. The video went viral, so me and decided we want to show you guys how clean the environment is. So we want to cook and take you guys through how beautiful nature cooking is by the river. And here we are. Let me show you guys how beautiful the river is today. People said I should take my shoe off last time. Oh, okay. So look, my shoe is off. I want to show you guys how clear the water is today. Well, I'm back here at the riverside, and here is the dustbin. I'm going to pick this plastic and put in the dustbin to make sure we keep the environment very, very clean. And guys, as I'm here, you can see I'm not even in the water here, but you can see how clean the water is. This is Volta Region. There's no galamsey. The water is clean as clean. And you can see, it's already in the water, and it's clean as clean. We're going to use this water to cook today. We're going to cook. So we are going to cook Akple Fetritoto. So we're going to use the water to cook the food. So I hope you enjoy this amazing experience. While you're watching the video, please share. Follow on TikTok. Follow her, like the videos, share the videos. If you want to come here and explore the area, call and what we're doing today. If you want to enjoy the same experience, call will arrange with you, and then probably with a fee you can have a proper lakeside experience. Can you actually believe? I cannot believe my eyes. Like, you know, this environment is so pristine. Like the coconut trees, the water is so clean. You know, this is Vume, V-U-M-E. Wow. So beautiful.
Yellow contact yellow.
Okay. While we're cooking here, guys, see what I can see. This is how I'm spending my my beautiful May Day. Beautiful. Look at that. You can't fall this. Look at that.
Just have to hold on. You can also use the corn flour for we call it godo.
Godo.
Yeah, so this is the yellow corn.
So where can we get the yellow corn? Is it from this area or the whole Ghana?
The whole Ghana.
Okay,
you can get yellow corn everywhere.
It's the same like watermelon juice and everything on the water side. The whole shebang, the whole vibe.
You can do it without the Maggi cube. I just want to give a taste to the beef.
Okay.
Okay. Na kwa ulola te fala ko na wa gble na blog yo la kwa dana.
So we kuma ma kuna ga mi la ulido.
Potode. Because of Akble man tajobe. Salam yi magba.
Obana ba ble.
Azalo lo awu. Imagba, ala yevu gbado. If you ye buye o, ela complain chon.
Ofuna like ya.
No da vinha bien tie. If we are putting all.
Okay. Wow, just like that. Wow. Now our food is almost ready.
Then la. Goma. Dodo esia.
Make sure I'll put the details on the video if you want to arrange and enjoy this experience by the lakeside and enjoy nature, Koya. And to arrange this with you, with your group, with your friends and family, and you have authentic Volta Region feel. Guys, look at that.
Woo.
O tete na o na tegbe kukuga. Denai.
Asenka delight.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Me, I'm all like Sabala.
Sabala, huh? Okay.
Because I know you too like.
Yeah. Wow. Nice.
Last man standing. Okay.
In Volta Region, we eat as a group.
Me your mama ava.
We believe.
Mama melolo. Mama makaka.
Lagayo.
Barugunami. We believe eating together bond us together. This is where you see where people are very, very happy because when we eat together, we believe there's joyous.
Yes.
Tamirung. Niva.
Nacho, miva.
Yarusia.
Afo. Miva mirunusia. Miva. Yo.
Miva mirunusia. Kia Fetritoto yalo.
Jaruno. Hey, ba class na duno. Oyo no nyankuma okpoma ga duno.
Magayo.
Deve kele poncho goyo. Jaruno lo poncho.
Mama ka haje ba bele. Ko be.
Amayo mo do ode. Akobe nyankujo ejubi mako. Ajede no magakwa de elantila join. But it's good.
Play aje mama nyarara. Alcohol is soft. No boy.
Mako zipe no a. Mako ganto. Ni afọ no ma ba do pa alo.
They very soft.
Yeah, Pama.
Me o madam.
Oh, no.
Packaging ni ele na mi package ni.
Wow.
Hey, Foncho Gavaro. Chale.
Welcome. This is the chef. This is our chef for today. This is our chef. Our chef alone. Don't do.
Togbe.
The boy.
Afo Felix va that's no man emisia.